Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a structured breakdown of strategies for improving right-party contact rate in a contact center. Now let's talk about how data quality and hygiene improvements can raise right-party contact rate. First, regular data cleansing. Validating, deduplicating, and updating customer phone records in the CRM ensures that agents are always dialing the right numbers and not wasting time on dead ends. Second, in collections, skip tracing plays an important role. By using third-party data sources, disconnected or outdated numbers can be replaced, giving agents a better chance of reaching the right customer. Third, lead source optimization. Prioritizing first-party or opt-in leads over purchased lists not only improves RPC, but also delivers higher quality interactions and stronger outcomes. And fourth, consent-based outreach. Focusing on customers who have explicitly opted in to be contacted boosts engagement while also strengthening compliance. The key point: cleaner, more accurate data isn't just about efficiency, it's the foundation of sustainable RPC performance. Let's now look at how dialing strategy optimization can significantly improve right-party contact rate. First, best time to call prediction. By using historical data and AI, campaigns can be timed when customers are most likely to answer, such as evenings for B2C customers or standard office hours for B2B decision-makers. Second, local presence caller ID. Displaying a local area code builds familiarity and trust, increasing the likelihood that customers will pick up the call. Third, smart redial logic. Instead of calling too frequently, spacing out retries intelligently helps bypass spam detection and avoids customer call fatigue, giving agents a better chance of meaningful engagement. And finally, dialer selection. Predictive dialers are best suited for high-volume campaigns, while preview dialers are ideal for high-value or decision-maker-driven campaigns, where accuracy and personalization matter most. The key takeaway: the right combination of timing, caller identity, retry strategy, and dialer type transforms dialing efficiency into higher RPC performance. Let's now focus on agent training and skills development, a critical driver of right-party contact rate. First, emphasize effective opening scripts. Training agents to build trust within the first 10 seconds of a call greatly reduces hang-ups and sets the tone for a positive conversation. Second, strengthen gatekeeper navigation. In many B2B scenarios, receptionists or assistants act as the first line of defense. Equipping agents with proven strategies to bypass or win over gatekeepers increases the chance of reaching the true decision-maker. Third, teach rapport building. An empathetic and professional tone encourages the customer to stay engaged once the right party is reached, improving both conversation quality and outcomes. And finally, apply language and accent matching. Using region-specific teams for localized campaigns builds familiarity and comfort, making customers more likely to engage. The key message: well-trained agents don't just dial more, they connect better, turning more conversations into meaningful outcomes and lifting overall RPC performance. Now let's explore the role of compliance-integrated processes in sustaining right-party contact rate. First, DNC and consent management. Data scrubbing before dialing ensures that only approved and consented numbers are contacted, preventing wrong-party connections and protecting compliance. Second, TCPA and GDPR safe practices. This means dialing only within legal calling windows, respecting customer privacy, and honoring opt-out requests promptly. These safeguards may reduce short-term volume but protect long-term credibility. Third, call recording and monitoring. Quality assurance teams, supported by AI monitoring, help ensure that every right-party interaction follows required disclosures and remains fully compliant. The key takeaway: compliance isn't a barrier to our PC, it's the foundation that makes our PC gains sustainable without risking penalties, lawsuits, or reputational damage. Let's now look at how technology and AI enablement are transforming right-party contact rate. First, AI-powered dialer optimization. By predicting the best call times and selecting the most effective dialer mode for each campaign, AI ensures that agents reach more of the right customers at the right moment. Second, caller reputation management. Protecting outbound numbers from being flagged as spam by carriers is critical. Without it, even the best strategy can fail if customers never pick up. Third, CRM integration. When data is unified across channels, targeting becomes more accurate, reducing wasted dials and boosting RPC. And finally, omni-channel warm-up. Sending SMS or email reminders before an outbound call helps prepare the customer, improving answer rates and creating smoother conversations. The key takeaway: technology and AI don't just increase volume, they make every dial smarter, more targeted, and more likely to connect with the right party. Let's now explore how customer experience and engagement directly affect right-party contact rate. First, pre-call notifications. Sending a quick message such as, "We'll be calling you shortly," can significantly increase pickup rates by preparing the customer in advance. Second, trust signals. Using branded caller ID, where available, helps reduce spam suspicion and reassures customers that the call is legitimate. Third, respectful redial policies. Avoiding overcontact protects the customer experience. Too many attempts can frustrate customers, lower future RPC, and even damage brand reputation. And finally, proactive outreach strategies. Engaging customers on their preferred channels, like chat or SMS, before placing a call creates a smoother, warmer interaction when the call is made. The key message: customer trust and respect are critical enablers of our PC. The more professional and customer-friendly the engagement, the more effective every outbound call becomes. Let's now discuss how campaign and portfolio management practices influence right-party contact rate. First, segmentation. By focusing outbound efforts on high-value customers or accounts with a higher likelihood of answering, campaigns become more efficient and productive. Second, prioritization. Low-quality lead lists with poor RPC performance should be dropped or deprioritized so that agent time and resources are invested where they deliver the strongest return. Third, continuous A/B testing. Experimenting with different scripts, caller IDs, and dialing time slots allows teams to refine strategies and identify what truly drives RPC improvement. And finally, portfolio rotation in collections. Rotating harder-to-reach accounts periodically keeps campaigns fresh and prevents agents from wasting time on stale, low-connection segments. The key takeaway: effective campaign and portfolio management ensures that outbound efforts are always focused, adaptive, and aligned with maximizing RPC. Let's now explore the role of continuous monitoring and analytics in improving right-party contact rate. First, RPC dashboarding. Tracking RPC performance by agent, by team, by time of day, by campaign, and even by lead source provides the visibility needed to pinpoint where improvements can be made. Second, root cause analysis. When RPC is low, it's important to understand why. Is it caused by poor data quality, dialing at the wrong time, weak agent scripting, or compliance restrictions. Identifying the true cause allows for targeted corrective action. And third, predictive modeling. By applying machine learning, we can forecast likely RPC performance and adjust campaigns dynamically, ensuring resources are always aligned with the best opportunities. The key message: continuous monitoring turns RPC improvement from guesswork into science, making performance both measurable and predictable. Let's bring this to life with a simple improvement scenario. In the before case, a campaign makes 10,000 outbound attempts. With an RPC of 18%, that results in just 1,800 right-party connects. Now, after implementing improvements such as data cleansing, local caller ID, and best time to call strategies, the same 10,000 outbound attempts deliver an RPC of 28%. That's 2,800 right-party connects. The impact? 1,000 more meaningful conversations without increasing dial volume, headcount, or costs. This example shows the power of optimizing RPC. Small improvements in process and technology translate into big gains in outcomes. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.